In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect music to Garmin watch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your Garmin watch and play music from your smartphone. So to do this, first go into the Garmin Connect IQ app. Inside of the Garmin IQ app, you will be able to download specific applications. What you have to do here is download your music player of choice. For this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Spotify. You might be able to use other services like Apple Music, Deezer, and so on, but like I said before, for this particular video, I'm going to showcase the process with Spotify. So when you go over to search, you can browse through the music category, and usually Spotify is going to be on top. Like I said before, you might find other services available. But for Spotify, just tap on it and choose the option to install the app. Once you have Spotify installed, you will find it on your device. Upon selecting Spotify, you can choose the setup option here. And now you will begin setting it up. It is going to prompt you to sign in using your Spotify credentials, and keep in mind that to use this, of course, you need Spotify Premium. With Spotify signed into, now all of your songs will be synchronized. You will find your playlists, individual songs, albums, artists, and so on, including podcasts. And everything is going to be available directly from the app. So just download it from the iQ store. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect music to Garmin Watch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.